To enable or disable Google Text-to-Speech Use Wi-Fi only in Samsung Galaxy S20, open Settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the screen, and then tap Settings. You can also open Settings screen from Notification panel, swipe down Notification panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down Settings screen, find Accessibility. And then tap Accessibility. Select Screen Reader. And then tap Settings. Tap Text to Speak. And then on Preferred Engine, you must set as Google Text to Speak engine. To set, tap Preferred Engine and then select Google Text to Speak engine. And then tap Settings icon on Preferred Engine. To enable Use Wi-Fi only, tap Switch until blue, or to disable, tap Switch until white. Download voice data using only Wi-Fi. This conserves data using. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.